Hello, today I'm in Toyota Tundra. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Thanks to this panel we can manage radio, change radio station and radio volume. Thanks to this button we can activate voice assistant. This button allows us to change radio source, or if you press and hold this button, you'll mute and unmute the radio. These two buttons allows you to answer and end the calls. This button allows you to navigate through speedometer display. Thanks to this button you'll go to driving info section. This button allows you to manage front assistant, and this button allows you to manage LDA assistant. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.